Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today is, I always have to look at my watch, Thursday, May 12th, and we have an update video, an update on our updated video. We are still in the process of trying to find a new location, which has been brutal in the Sacramento market. We haven't been able to find anything the size that we want in the location that we want, right? So that's like two factors that are stopping us. We were, in the previous video, gonna move into the same location, a couple doors down. The deal didn't go through. I put an offer in today. Hopefully we get this other location, which is doubling, if not more than doubling, 2.5 times our size, a couple exits down. So if we get this place, we shall show you guys our move from one site to the next. We have a whole bunch of other projects that we have coming up that we are not allowed to shoot. One of the projects that we're doing right now is for Facebook in Fremont, California. We have a bunch of wiring and stuff we're doing for them, but we cannot record there. We have a couple other locations that we can't record at. We have a project going on for Intel, a couple other little small sites that we're just not allowed to shoot at. So I'm just talking to you about them here. The Facebook project started yesterday. It's going good. Hopefully we're done with that one next week. We have, let's see what else. Oh, we did a video a while back for the Chinese Chamber of Commerce in Oakland, California. We have done 5-6 more site surveys at that in those locations, and we have those installs coming up soon too. So we're gonna have like a 6-7 part series of different blocks in Chinatown where we're installing some surveillance cameras, which is gonna be pretty cool, which is helping out the local community there and Oakland PD. We got that coming up. We have, the next LED wall we're doing is coming up in Atlanta. We're gonna have a video for that. We're gonna be doing an LED wall at a car rental place, which is cool. It's gonna be like a huge backdrop. It's like 30 foot long by 9 foot tall. That's gonna be a bigger process to physically get the parts installed. We're gonna have to, because it's in the rental part of the airport and where it's physically located is so far back that we have to take the delivery at the bottom of this like 10-story parking garage, take a forklift, drive it to the front, break it all down, take it up an elevator 3 stories, then walk it across from one side all the way to the other side of the entire rental car parking lot there before we can even start it. So day one is gonna be a lot of hands on deck, just pulling parts from one side to the other, then coming back down, breaking down these huge crates, sticking them in a dumpster before we can even install the wall. So we got that coming up. We've been quoting a lot of other locations in San Francisco. We got a lot of revisits back to other customers that are doing more parts after we've installed like a small amount, and they're like, oh, you know what, I need 10 more cameras, or I need to do this TV over here. So those are some of the updates we got going on. Hopefully we get this location. We'll show you guys that move. We also updated our logo. We have the new uniforms coming for everybody. That's gonna be pretty cool. Those are gonna be printed starting tomorrow, as long as they drop off this right. I have to drop off my old shirt so they can match my blue from the old shirt to the new shirt. We should have those next week, and that'll be another video we'll have where we'll show all the guys, all of our uniforms, our new location, everything settled, which if anybody knows about moving sucks. So we're not looking forward to it, but we are looking forward into getting to a larger space. So we'll keep you guys posted on that, but thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Later.